So first of all, thank you very much, Klaus-Peter, and good morning and welcome from me. So there is a sign-up break. I hope that you enjoy this part of the conversation, and we spent 15 minutes on our connected platforms that I have the privilege today to present to you, and how this would actually contribute almost 2 billion euro operating profit to Allianz by 2027. So let's start with the short definition of what we mean by connected platforms. And shortly, these are integrated digital assets that enable omni-channel and ultra-personalized customer experience. They're set to build the future of how customers interact. And for us at Allianz, it's not a dream, it's a reality. These are real businesses delivering value in terms of profit and growth, and it helps also future-proof for Allianz. Today, we are talking about 3 distinct businesses. Number 1, Allianz Partners, the #1 global B2B2C company. Allianz Direct, the leading direct insurance player in Europe. Solved, the B2B company, that is the motor claims management suite, disrupting the motor insurance industry through cutting-edge AI and technology. By the way, today, the CEOs of these companies are here, and they'll be happy to demonstrate in actions what we are doing. Together, these companies are already delivering significant value to our business, both via the operating profit of the 3 entities and by enabling synergies within the group. And this is already almost 1 billion for 2024, and we aim to double this by 2027. So as a starting point, let me highlight a couple of facts about our connected platforms. First, each company is a leader in the highly competitive segment. The second, together, they generate more than 11 billion euro revenue, while still growing more than 10% per annum. Working together, they become an irreplaceable asset, providing peace of mind just a click away to more than 100 million clients across the globe and supporting them through every moment in their lives. Over 20% of the property and casualty growth is already coming from our connected platforms, and we aim to continue to fuel this growth in the future. And as I mentioned, we enable 1 billion euro profit to Allianz already today. So we started to lay the groundwork of our connected platforms already 5 years ago, and today they are the key differentiator to our customers and business partners, thanks to the combination of several factors that are actually unique to Allianz. And let me mention just a couple of them. First one is the flexible IT agnostic system that is designed to be fully adaptable and seamlessly integratable to any internal or external stakeholder. The second is the multi-purpose model, engineered to serve all different sales channels, direct, digital, through any intermediary. We have the global footprint, but still what we are doing is we are meeting the local market needs and, even more important, the local regulations. Harmonized products and processes. This ensures consistency and efficiency across the whole value chain. And last but not least, integrating of cutting-edge AI innovation, which is allowing us to deliver smarter, quicker, and more personalized solutions. So, as we speak today, thousands of our customers are traveling, and unfortunately, some of them would have an accident. So let's take an example of Allianz Direct customer and what he needs to do. Actually, he doesn't need to pull out his phone to inform us about this, because our automatic detection solutions already inform us, and this is the moment when the full set of services is triggered. As a starting point, the Allianz Partners call center agents calls proactively our client and checks the details, but most importantly, whether he's okay. Then, in case of immediate repair needed, Allianz Partners organizes repairing spot or transports the car to the closest repair shop meanwhile organizing the rental car substitute. In case of smaller accidents, and we hope that it happens in these situations, and we need a damage assessment, through SOFT, we provide an instant repair estimate. And in this case, we support our customers and they can book immediately online a spot at the repair shop, or in case they prefer cash, they get the cash settlements within 60 seconds. In the unfortunate case of medical assistance, our clients can check the symptoms or can talk immediately to the doctor through our telehealth activities. And in more severe situations, the location of our customers are sent directly to the hospitals and they start the transportation. For sure, we also take care of the rehabilitation period after the hospital. So at the end of the day, the full process will be automatically completed either within 60 seconds or within several minutes. And this is what we call a peace of mind, just a click away. And this example is only one of the examples that we have of the great services we provide to our customers, thanks to the connections of different assets into one continuous flow. All three entities achieved strong top-line growth while further improving their margins. Collectively, they have surpassed more than 11 billion euro total business volume in 2024. And looking ahead, we aim to achieve more than 15 billion euro total business volume by 2027 and double our operating profit to more than 2 billion euro to Allianz. So now let's deep dive to each platform, look how it contributes to this, and discuss a bit the scale-up plan. Let's start with Allianz Partners. This is a combination between insurance, services, and technology. Allianz Partners is operating in all areas of people's life: travel, health, mobility, and easy living. And we are the #1 market player in most of the dimensions, or actually in all dimensions, in terms of revenue, profit, and net promoter score. And just let me give you some examples. In travel insurance, we are 2 times bigger than the closest competitor. In mobility and assistance, we are 5 times bigger than the closest competitors. And we have the predominant share in the profit pools of the industry. This is an operating entity working in 70 countries, 22,000 employees. By the way, 15,000 of them are working in the front office, in the call center, delivering every day above and beyond to support our clients. We handle over 200,000 cases per day, more than 70 million calls annually, and we organize more than 10,000 medical repatriations on an annual basis. We provide peace of mind just a click away to more than 100 million clients, and we serve more than 6,500 business partners. Among our key partners are leading airlines, automotive manufacturers, banks, retailers, and other insurance companies. And with Allianz Partners, the Allianz brand is visible in more than 16 billion business partners' website visits. Over the last few years, we started a fundamental transformation with the objective to shift from being product to a true solution provider, investing a lot in digital capabilities to embed fully in our partners. And today we see already the benefits in this highly competitive market. Thanks to the combination of global reach, unmatched scale, competitive unit cost, and comprehensive solution, we are now the key differentiator for our partners, and our retention rate is higher than 95%. A key element of our strategy is Alice. This is the app powering our connected platforms, and today you'll have the opportunity to see it in reality. And with Alice Travel, travelers don't need any more multiple apps. Alice is the one-stop shop providing real solutions in real life to our customers, like safety alerts, access to the lounge if the flight is canceled or delayed, VPN approach, Also, access to our medical provider network. 24/7, our clients, if they don't feel well, can make an appointment with a doctor, can check their symptoms, can renew their prescriptions, and they can get the whole support needed. We already have more than 2.3 million active users, and Alice delivers on all levels of customer satisfaction, 4.8 out of 5 voice of customer, and also delivering operational synergies. Going forward, we seek to continue and further accelerate our growth trajectory, and we aim to add additional 3 billion euro top line by 2027 and double the operating profit. And this is not an aspiration only, there is a clear plan behind this, and there are several reasons, and I will just mention a couple of facts. First, we want to continue to be the standard of embedded insurance and to outperform the market, grow 10% per annum with the help of high retention rate and expanding into new segments, which means more than 10% per annum. All of that coupled by productivity gains. By radically rethinking our processes, we'll harness data and AI and automate and focus on what truly matters. This would allow us to reduce our expense ratio further by 1 to 2 percentage points. Now let's move to Allianz Direct, which is also a great company. So until last year, it was a great idea to have Allianz Direct, but now with the moving and the fast pace of AI and emerging technology, actually it's essential. Allianz Direct is reinventing the insurance business, and there are several reasons for this. First, the unique and scalable IT platform, the harmonized products that are operating or offered under one Allianz brand and operating into key markets, always putting the customer at the center of everything that they do. And it shows more than 2.3 million customers choose Allianz Direct, which is reflected into 1.2 billion revenue by 2024. We have created a unique business model in the past year in terms of business and platform. All operations are unified under one legacy-free IT, fully in the cloud with a service-oriented architecture. The oldest platform element in Allianz Direct is not older than 4 years old. And our platform works within with all channels, not only through direct, but also retail partnership with banks, MGAs, and also allows us to fastly onboard the recent acquisitions of Luko, Friday, and iptiQ. While we are very proud of the achievements of Allianz Direct, for sure, the starting point was a bit challenging. We have different stages, ups and downs. Sometimes we are not as fast as we wanted to be. In the past 3 years, we focused on fixing the basics and the core elements of the business. And now we see the results. We have reduced our expense ratio since 2021 by 7 percentage points, our loss ratio by 3 percentage points, and we increased the sales service rate to more than 85%, raising the customer satisfaction in all metrics. Now we are prepared to unleash the growth, and we aim to reach 1.2 billion euro revenue by 2027, to double the operating profit to 100 million euro, and we want to achieve this by several factors. First of all, for sure, organic growth. We believe that our unit cost, which is already at benchmark and we continue to improve it, will help us to offer competitive pricing and also enhance further the customer experience. And also we'll continue to look for strategic acquisitions that would allow us to expand in the markets. And now shortly about Soft. This is our most recent company, which is becoming to be fundamental for the motor insurance industry. This is a company serving more than 200 billion, want to be 200 billion, but it's only 200 at the moment business partners. Among them are insurers, leasing companies, and rental car companies, and they account for more than 85% of the revenue of Soft. And for sure, we are very proud of serving Allianz entities. To deliver top-notch services, we acquired 3 entities: Control Expert, JT Motive Innovation Group, connected their assets through cutting-edge AI and technologies into one continuous flow. So now different insurers can support their clients with the first notification of loss of control expert, which is with a fully digital journey supported by a voice bot. In case of they need instant repair estimates, we have an engine AI-based tool that is powered by JT Motive and Control Expert, and they also can get the cash settlement within 60 seconds. And finally, with the help of the repair shops of Innovation Group, all customers can book an online appointment to the closest repair shop and get a top-notch service at the right price. In 2023, Soft handled more than 17 million transactions in more than 45 markets. As a result, Soft is already driving the growth, and we expect that this year they will grow by 15% versus the previous year, and is becoming the leading motor claims management service provider. Looking ahead, we also have an ambitious plan. We want to reach 800 million revenue and double the operating profit. And there are several factors that would help us to do this. First, we will definitely expand our product into existing clients because there is much more to be offered at this point of time. And we also plan to enter new segments in Europe and Australia. We believe that there is also a potential to improve the Allianz motor combined ratio by 2 to 3 percentage points to keep us at a competitive level. As you would agree, each one of these three assets shows strong performance on an individual basis, but together they become an irreplaceable asset. And they're not only the growth engine of Allianz Group, but also the source of resilience for our retail motor property and casualty business. We protect our core business via innovation and high customer satisfaction while enabling market outperformance. In summary, these platforms not only enhance a great customer experience, but also generate significant synergies and operational efficiencies. We have confidence in our strategy, and we aim to double the operating profit by 2027 and reach almost 2 billion euro. We have more than 25,000 people working on these platforms, and they're highly motivated to reach this goal. I'm also confident that we'll create together an outstanding customer experience that will change the way people view insurance. Thank you very much and enjoy the day.